Hello children and parents, welcome to my channel Fun Learning and I am Shomita. Children, we know that now your schools are off and online classes are going on, and I know the situation of the parents also. They are explaining the lessons in home. Still children are not going to any tuition classes and they are continuing their studies in home. But there are some schools where online classes are not going on, and those children are missing their schools also and online classes also. I am going to make videos on mathematics and science chapters which will be helpful for all kinds of school going students who are doing online classes or not doing online classes. वीडियोस के एंड में हम कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करेंगे ताकि चिल्ड्रंस विल हैव फन with their studies. Today we are going to discuss about one interesting topic on mathematics, that is geometry. So let's see what is geometry all about. Children, geometry starts from a dot. This is a small dot, and suppose if I am drawing so many dots side by side, and if I join these points together, then it will make a straight line. This is called a horizontal straight line. This is a vertical straight line. Now we have horizontal line, vertical line, and three kinds of line we know. Suppose this is a straight line, never ending. Both side arrow means both side we can increase unlimitedly. So this is a straight line. And if I cut this portion, means a small portion from a straight line, then we will call it a line segment. Means this is a line segment. And if it is one side is fixed and one side we can increase unlimitedly, then this one we will say as ray. Okay, there are other types of lines also. Means apart from straight line, there are these kinds of line also. These are called curve lines. These are curve lines. Now, if we join two straight lines in a point, then it will form an angle. And this angle in between we will measure as degrees. How we will write degrees? Means a number, suppose 45, we will draw a small 0 here, means it is 45 degree. Suppose 15 here, small 0 here, means it is 15 degree. So we will denote like this degrees. Now if we join two straight line like this, then we will tell that in the junction means at this point this angle is all four sides total 360 degree. How it will come? Suppose you have a clock in your home, so clock's needle, how it will move like this? It will move like this, like this, like this, and like this. Means from here to here to here to here. This the clock needle will move 360 degree. This is the diagram of a protractor. This is an instrument you all have in your geometry box. Like this. This is an instrument by which we measure angles. This is an angle, right angle means 90 degree. Next one is acute angle, that is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Next one is obtuse angle, that is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Next one is straight angle. Straight angle means 180 degree. Next one is reflex angle. Reflex angle means it is more than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. And again it is meeting to this same point means zero angle, means no angle. Now you can note down these kinds of angles are there: right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and zero angle. This is a model of angles. I made this with thermocol pieces. I cut thermocol pieces and I colored according to the different angles, and I sticked this on a cardboard. I first decorated the cardboard and then I sticked this different measurement of angles. Let's see what is there here. First one is right angle. This is 90 degree. Next one is acute angle, that is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. And third one is this one, that is perfectly 180 degree, means it is straight angle. Next one is obtuse angle, means it is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Then it is coming to reflex angle, means it is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Here I made one protector with thermocol only. It is very easy, you can also make this in home. Just cut a half circle from a thermocol piece and color and draw by sketch pen these all kinds of marks. I made with cardboard one needle and I attached here with board pin. I decorated this needle and I sticked here with board pin. So it is movable, and you can see that just like your protector here, all kinds of measurements are there, 0 to 90 degree, and then it is coming to 180 degree. This like it is movable. And here I made one compass also. This instrument also available in your geometry box. So you can also make this like of model in your home in your leisure time to have fun. So children, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you have any doubts on any kinds of topics on geometry, you can ask me in the comment section and I will answer that, and I will definitely clear that vividly in my next video. And I hope you will make this like a project works in your home in your leisure time, so that your study will become a great fun. In my next video I will bring some more interesting ideas, topics on geometry, and again I will share with you some interesting artworks, how you will utilize your leisure time to do some artworks on mathematics or science. So here's the end of my today's video. We will again meet in the next video. Bye bye.